I got on here down in Platte. Another chipmunk.
Look at the little chipmunk. Another one.
Yeah, a different one, completely. On the other side of the road. This is a lot shorter than the other side. It's further down because this is.
The other one's a 1 1/4.
I can measure the way back.
Oh, is that a little thing under?
Yeah. I don't know. All I know is right now I've been on here for 5 miles from my house all the way down and all the way back.
That's all?
Yeah, distance 5. Since I bought this bike, I've been 170 miles. That's a lot of miles already. I already did one tune-up.
Yes.
I had to get new pedals since the last time because they were plastic.
Wow.
And it cost me 20 bucks.
Ridiculous. Your bike costs expensive and then they put plastic pedals. Hey, look, a half a mile, it's a little one.
Yeah, it cost me 20 bucks to get new pedals. I stole this off of another bike that my dad had, and I stole those 2 water bottle things. Added them to my bike because nobody else is really biking.
Yeah, nobody else is.
We went out here with Adrian and Caleb, and then my mom. She took the stroller thing for Caleb to attach it to the bike and biked him around. Adrian is so whiny.
Yeah.
Yeah.